Guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm reviewing Kylie Cosmetics' new Valentine's Day collection. This collection is definitely one of my favorites in a very long time. Lately Kylie's collections have not been of interest to me, but this one is awesome. Now the collection came with a full range of products that includes the palette, a blush, and 3 different lip shades. I got one of the 3 lip kits, and the one that I got is the Forever set. It also comes with 2 other lip kits that I did not purchase. One of them is more of a red color. The other one is a very vibrant pink. Now the one that I got is a fairly nudish brown. It's beautiful. I have it on my lips right now. I really love the lip sets that came out with the Valentine's Day collection. It comes with a liquid lip, a lip liner, and also one of the glosses. Now the collection also came out with a pressed blush powder. This one is called Crush, and it's fairly a nudish peach. Very pretty. I'm kind of surprised that she didn't use kind of a pink type of blush, but this is perfect because the palette is extremely pink, and I'll show you guys in a minute. But the blush is very pretty. It's kind of a nude peach kind of color, and I have it on my cheeks right now. It gives such a pretty flush to the cheeks. And now for the palette. You guys, this has got to be my favorite palette from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'll show you guys why. The palette itself comes with 6 matte shades as well as 6 shimmer shades, and it's perfect. You can create so many different looks, and I chose to kind of steer towards the pink shades today because after all it is Valentine's Day, but it's beautiful, and the pigments are very, very pigmented as they usually are from Kylie Cosmetics. But I'll show you guys, and again, swatches really don't do justice to eyeshadows. I feel like once they're on the eye, that's when you really can see how they perform, and these eyeshadows are really, really nice. They're so creamy, they blend very well, and I use this palette to do my look today in its entirety. Now I want to talk to you guys a little bit on how I achieved this look today using Kylie's Valentine's Day collection. I found these cute little stickers at the Target $1 section, and I thought I can really use them for a Valentine's Day look. So what I did is I used one of these stickers. I used kind of the smaller one on the corner of my eye. Then what I did is I used First Date, which is kind of a very, very nice red type of color, into my crease, blended that in, and then of course I cut my crease, but I basically cut the entire eyelid with kind of a Shape Tape concealer. And then what I did is I used Candy Heart here, which is a very gorgeous pink shade, and I used that on the outer corner of my eye, and that kind of gave contrast between that First Date color and the Candy Heart. Then what I did is I used Kinda Classy, and I dabbed that into my inner corner, and it gave such a beautiful contrast with the gold shade and the pink shade. It looked really, really beautiful. Then on top of that, I used February, which is a very nice pink shade, and used that in the middle between the Candy Heart and that really shimmery Kinda Classy color. At the end of all that, what I did is I removed the sticker heart, and it looked really good. I kind of was questioning it. I did not think that it would work out, but it really did, and it gave such a really nice Valentine's Day type of a look. And then of course I applied my wings, eyeliner, and mascara, and that's the finished look. Overall, I really enjoyed this collection. I thought it was beautiful. The colors were just gorgeous. The blendability of the palette is really perfect, and I just really adore this palette. I see myself using it all the time. I also really loved the blush. The blush gives such a beautiful peach type of shade. It's perfect for spring. And the lip color, I didn't want to go with a pink or red because I have just so many of those colors, and the nude just works perfect because with this palette, kind of the colors are really out there. Kind of having a nude lip is perfect. And that's it for my Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys were on edge about this collection, definitely don't be. It's a beautiful collection and I think you will definitely enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and make sure you come back next week for another video. Love you guys.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you.